An engineer's license. The privilege to be protected. The weight behind the wings. For every flight that departs safely, an aircraft maintenance engineer has made dozens of critical decisions behind the scenes. Yet few outside the industry realize that an engineer's license is not a company credential. It is a personal privilege, issued to the individual, not their employer. It represents trust, accountability, and legal authority to declare an aircraft safe to fly. It is a privilege that must be protected, never pressured. A license belongs to the engineer, not the company. Under regulatory frameworks such as CASA Part 66, EASA, or FAA A&P, an aircraft maintenance license is issued directly to the individual engineer. It is earned through years of study, examinations, and demonstrated competence, and it carries both legal and moral responsibility. When an engineer signs for a maintenance release, they are not only representing their company, they are representing themselves, their integrity, and their license. If something goes wrong, it is the license holder in part, not the organization, who must answer to the regulator. That distinction defines the independence and accountability of the profession, and this is a key to aviation maintenance safety. Independence, the cornerstone of integrity. Every engineer must be empowered to make decisions free from undue pressure. No supervisor, airline manager, or operations controller can dictate when to sign or what to overlook. The license exists precisely to give engineers the authority and duty to say no when safety or compliance is in question. Independence isn't defiance, it's discipline, and an engineer's independence ensures that public safety outweighs operational convenience every time. When an engineer signs a certificate of release to service, that signature literally keeps passengers, crew, and families safe. Regulation and responsibility. Aviation maintenance operates within strict regulatory frameworks, CASA, EASA, FAA, and others. Each regulation is designed to protect the traveling public through system discipline and structure. The engineer's license is the final link in that chain of assurance. Every logbook entry, every inspection, every talk check must be completed to the standard. There is no grey area. Deviation or drift from procedures erodes the very trust that allows aviation to operate at 99.99% safety reliability. The privilege to protect. An engineer's license is not merely a qualification. It is an ethical and societal public trust instrument. It says, this individual is authorized to decide when an aircraft is safe to fly. That privilege must be guarded fiercely. It should never be traded for schedule pressure, cost-cutting, or convenience. Engineers must remain vigilant, not just in workmanship, but in maintaining their independence, judgment, and professional voice. The aviation system depends on those who carry that privilege to protect it. At JOTOR Aviation, we recognize that engineering integrity underpins every safe flight. Our consulting services help organizations strengthen compliance cultures, support independent decision-making, and embed regulatory discipline across maintenance systems. Like and subscribe to JOTOR Aviation Consultancy channel for more engineering insights.